Hi everybody, it's Lesley Tao here and welcome to my YouTube. Now just in case you're wondering why I'm filming in my car, it's because today is the hottest day in the UK, so we're about 40 degrees and I'm in our little Tesla. As you can see, I've got my children's seats in the background. The baby ones is on this side, so it's kind of fun, but I've got AC here, so it's going to stop me from melting. We've also got AC unit in the living room of our house, but I've got the kids at home today, so it's full on crazy going on. So I'm filming in the car, I hope you don't mind. But today I have some amazing footage that it would be very nice to share with you. One of my best friends, so her name's called Miriam, I call her MC. We've known each other since law school, so since we were in our early 20s. Yes, we did the legal practitioners course together in London. She was just so awesome, and she's now a senior lawyer for a very for an international bank, and she lives in Dubai. Now Miriam is also very entrepreneurial in terms of she always makes good investments, and she has a keen interest in investing in real estate. This is one of her properties that she's purchased with her husband. She's got an amazing husband called Mike. They've listed it on Airbnb and it's based in Dubai, so this is near the Burj Khalifa, which is by the Dubai Mall, and I think they've purchased in a brilliant location. And so here's some footage of their amazing apartment, and I love how they've decorated the place. I mean, Mike, which is Miriam's husband, is hosting this property, and he is a super host. So what are they doing that you can spot that what we should learn from? So have a look. I personally think that the quality of the sort of amenities within the property that they're offering is very high, and the location is perfect as well. And knowing Miriam and Mike, so double M standards, is probably very high in terms of cleanliness and attention to detail. So have a look and let me know what you think in the comments below. So they've been a bit strict, by the way. So this is a strategy that they're using. They don't want, especially because they own this property, they don't want, you know, very short-term stays such as 1 night, 2 night, 3 night stays, because most likely these people are just there for the weekend and they might trash the property. And since this is their investment, because they've purchased this property, they have opted for a 20-night minimum stay. But as I'm looking through their calendar and it's pretty booked up, I know that they're charging between 750 dirhams to 1,000 dirhams a night. So that's between, I would say, around a little bit over $200 a night in US dollars. And their earning capacity for this apartment, so I'm just doing conversion over because it's probably just a little bit under 20,000 dirhams, I would say, or around that area. So it's around $4,000 to $5,000 is their monthly earning potential. But I can see from the calendar they're pretty booked at the moment, and they're already booked for next year's summer as well. And it seems like, you know, the people that are looking for longer stays are booking their apartments. So I would imagine people that are in Dubai for work purposes, or it might be for they're bringing their family over for a slightly longer trip, because we've been getting that in one of our units in Dubai as well, 20 to 30 night bookings or longer, some requests. Have a look, and I'm grateful to receive any of your comments below and what you think about one of my besties properties in Dubai by the Burj Khalifa. All right, have a lovely day. Bye.